Hey guys, have you ever wondered how they install a concrete slab in a home today? Well, years ago, there'd be 3 or 4 guys working it out with wheelbarrows and mixing it and laying it out with rakes. Here now, today, you've got a concrete truck that's put something concrete into the back of this pump truck. The pump truck through this arm, then brings it over into the house. So you can see the guys working down there, spreading it out on the floor. 3 or 4 guys today will be able to have this done before the end of the day, probably in 3 to 4 hours time. And it's a perfectly laid, nice, clean concrete slab. If you want a home inspection company that knows all the ins and outs of home construction, give us a call at 973-299-1808. Myself or one of my inspectors will come out and do a great job for you guys.